What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing and Technology. So if you follow 3D Printing Technology's Instagram, you know that we've been to the World Maker Fair in New York this past weekend. And there was quite a few 3D printers and 3D printing related booths there. But if you want to see the rest of those booths or anything else like that, check out our Instagram account, or you can wait for the recap video to come up on my channel later on this week. But one of the main announcements related to 3D printing at the Maker Fair was the original Prusa SL1 and Announcement, which were both made by Prusa, which makes the Prusa MK2S and the Prusa MK3 3D printers. So the announcement was that Prusa is releasing an SLA 3D printer, which is what the SL1 is, and they're making their own in-house filament. So while I was up there filming for 3D Printing Technology, they had a model of one, I believe, or they had one up there. I couldn't tell if it was just a prototype or if it was a working one, because it wasn't operating, but it looks like this right here, or as you can see in the videos that I'm going to show you that I took up there. It has the black body with the clear orange cover on top. So while I was up there, they handed out these flyers which has quite a bit of information on it, so I'll read through some of the main details on it. It's an open source SLA printer by Prusa. You can pre-order a kit for $1,299 or an assembled printer for $1,599. It looks like it may go up to $1,400 for a kit and $1,700 for a assembled one after the pre-order is gone. So if you really want one of these, I should probably suggest you go and buy one now. And they also have a curing and washing machine available separately of it, of course. I think that's what this is in the video that I took. It mainly, once the print gets done, print it and take it out, put it in the machine, and it cures it because it came from a liquid and it got hardened, and this makes it more certified, I guess. Proper way to explain it. So I'd say this printer will probably be reliable since it is Prusa, and it'll have good support and everything with that. So it says extremely accurate prints, motorized tilting bed, flexible film, automatic calibration, aluminum construction, 6 seconds per layer, power panic, vapor extraction, Wi-Fi, LAN, USB, resin rubber sensor, LCD, touchscreen controls, USB connection, supported materials, EV sensitive liquid resin and third party resin supported, one-time automatic calibration. It's supposedly silent operation, and that's pretty much it for this piece of paper describing it. So my thoughts on it is that it's going to be reliable and have good customer support since it's Prusa. I probably won't be one of the first ones to buy one because I'm waiting to see how it does since it's new. But overall, I like the amount of details they put into making this, the touch screen, the Wi-Fi, the USB connections and all that stuff. And the color scheme looks good, goes along with the orange and black of the regular 3D printers. But still my main concern is whether to get the Spark Maker or SL1 of the Prusa, is really find the SLA files to print off of, since that's not popular like on Thingiverse or other websites. Obviously you can design them, but still it's not very mainstream, I guess. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are of the SL1 in the comments down below. And if you want to see more information about this printer, I'll leave a link to their website too. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you want to see this video first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.